Bangladesh authorities are using traditional sponge and sack methods to remove the oil that spilled in Sundarbans after a tanker sank in the Shela River. Thousands of local fishermen and villagers are engaged in manually mopping up the oil using fishing nets, sacks, pots and pans. Over 100 boats are employed for supervising and assisting the mopping operations. Thousands of liters of oil spilled into the protected Sundarbans mangrove area after a tanker collided with another vessel at Bagarhat on Tuesday. The Sundarbans are home to rare Irrawaddy and Ganges dolphins. Environmentalists have warned this spill may lead to an ecological catastrophe. The oil tanker was carrying over 3.5 lakh tons of high-density furnace oil. Environmentalists say the chemicals could harm the delicate ecology of the Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. They say the disaster will have a long-term and huge impact not only on the ecology of the Sundarbans but also to the world's. Officials say the damage that has already been done as the slick has spread to a second river and a network of canals in Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest which straddles India and Bangladesh. Authorities have decided that oil dispersant will not be used to contain the spill until manual sponging is over. Meanwhile, the company that owns the stricken oil tanker said it would buy up the oil that local villagers have collected. The company said the oil has no commercial value and it is making the offer only to encourage people so that the cleaning up process speeds up. Sundarbans officials said that the oil spill has spread over 34,000 hectares area, endangering the biodiversity of the mangrove forest. The entries of canals are being sealed off with nets and all traffic on River Shela has been closed to prevent further spreading of the oil. A 9-member investigative committee is examining samples of water periodically at numerous points of the affected river to examine the possible impacts. 2 other investigations have been set up. The UN has called for a complete ban on all commercial vessels using the waterways of the Sundarbans. In the past as well, several mishaps causing huge amount of oil spill threatened the environment. In 2010, an estimated 206 million gallons oil was spilled in Gulf of Mexico following an explosion on British Petroleum's Deepwater Horizon rig, killing 11 people. The disaster killed thousands of birds and marine life. In South Korea in 2007, over 2.8 million gallons of crude oil spilled after empty heavy spirit collided with a steel wire connecting a tugboat. Back in 1991, one of the worst oil spills in world history wasn't an accident but a deliberate attempt. During the Gulf War, Iraqi forces attempted to prevent American soldiers from landing by opening valves at an offshore oil terminal and dumping oil from tankers. The spill of 380 to 520 million gallons oil resulted in a 4-inch thick slick that spread across 4,000 square miles in the Persian Gulf. Asia Desk, DD News.